Dynamics is the study what causes the motion, rest, constant speed, acceleration of an object. While in the previous chapter we did kinematics, जो अभी हमने chapter खत्म किए, and that was dynamics was the study of the motion. What in kinematics we are not concerned what is the cause of the motion, but in dynamics we will also look at the cause of the motion. ठीक है जी, is it done? Are you done? Have you written down? Are you all done? Okay, let's move on. Now, next thing you should know is about force. What is force? Force, it is a pull or push on an object that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of an object. So what is force? It is a pull or a push on an object that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of an object. When you are done, let me know. Okay, good. Force is a push or pull that changes or tend to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body. ठीक है. अच्छा. Now we know what is a force. Now we will look in the effects effects caused by force. What are the force? And you know force is a vector quantity. Everybody knows. Write it down. Force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity, and SI unit for force is Newton. It is Newton. And simple is capital M and is known as Newton. ठीक है. SI unit capital N Newton. ठीक हो गया. क्लियर. Okay. Have you written it down? Now effect causes caused by force. Okay. Now I am listing down the effects caused by force. Number one, force can change the shape of a body. तो नंबर वन इफेक्ट क्या है फोर्स का. what can force do? Force can change the shape of a body. Number two, force can stop a moving body. Force can stop a moving body. Number three, force can accelerate. Force can accelerate. Force can accelerate the body. Number four point is force can set the body into motion. Number fifth is force can de force can decelerate the body. Number six is force can change the direction of a moving body. So these are the 6 points what a force can do. Write them down, read them, and let me know when you are done. Are you all done? Should we move forward? Okay. Acha. So force is unit for force is Newton with a capital N. Acha. Now my question is, by which instrument can force be measured? So the instrument force can be measured by an instrument known as spring balance. This is known as spring balance. Write it down. Force can be measured by an instrument known as spring balance. Done, ji? Done? Is everybody done? Okay. Now I will show you people how does a spring balance look like. Has anybody seen the spring balance? Okay, I will show you. Can you see the PowerPoint? Can you see the PowerPoint? Can you see the spring balance? Can you see the spring balance, everybody? This is the spring balance. You can't see the PowerPoint? Now can you see it? Now these are spring balance. Now you can see it. Okay. So this is how spring balance looks like, and this is used to measure force. Is it clear to everybody? Good. Okay, let's move on. So we are done. Okay. Now we will look at type of forces. What type of forces are present? Okay. So let's now give the heading type of forces. Type of forces are: number one, force of gravity. What is force of gravity? The pull of Earth acting on an object. That is force of gravity. Second is force of gravitation. Force of gravitation. What it is? It is a force. The force of attraction between any two objects in the universe. Number three is tension. टेंशन क्या चीज़ है? इट इज अ फोर्स experienced by stretched or compressed objects. When you have written down these 3 points, let me know. Are you all done? Okay, let's move on. So up till now we have done three types of forces. fourth type of force is friction. This is a very common force. Without friction, we cannot move or cannot run. The contact force which opposes the motion of body due to the roughness of the surface. So friction is something which always goes opposite to the motion of the object. If we are going forward, friction will be backward. If car is going forward, friction will be backward. So it is always opposite to the motion of the object. Fifth one is resistance. When a body is dragged through a liquid, through a fluid. Now fluid can be air and liquid. Okay, air or liquid is known as fluid. Can be any liquid, air or liquid. Okay, when a body is dragged through a liquid, air or liquid, there is there is a friction between body and fluid. As I told you, fluid can be air or liquid. Fluid called as resistance, or another name for this force is viscous force. Okay, another name is viscous force. Okay, so when a body is dragged through a liquid, air or liquid, through a fluid, air or liquid, there is friction between body and fluid called as resistance or viscous force. When you are done, let me know. Are you done? Okay, now when there is resistance in air, what is the name? We have studied it. What is the name of that resistance? उसको क्या कहते हैं? We studied in kinematics when we were doing terminal velocity or free fall. Excellent, Sumail Falia. That was air resistance. Zainab, very good. ठीक है, उसका नाम क्या था? एयर रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है, तो फ्लूइड कैन बी एयर और लिक्विड. So remember, whenever it will be in air, we will say air resistance, okay? And when it will be in liquid, we will say viscous force or viscous resistance. Okay? Got it? Did you people got it? Okay? When it will be in air, we will say air resistance, and when it will be in liquid, we will say viscous. Okay? Okay. Let let us continue. Now the next type of force, sixth type, is contact or normal reaction on reaction force. When an object is made in contact with the surface, then the reaction force of the surface is called contact force or normal reaction force. Question to set is contact force or normal reaction force. When an object is made in when an object is made in contact with the surface, then reaction force of the surface is called the contact force or normal reaction force. Okay, let's move on to the next two forces are left. Let's finish them. Seventh is electric force. What is electric force? The push or pull between electric charges. The push or pull between electric charges. We know light charges attract or repel. लाइट चार्जेस रिपेल एंड ऑपोजिट चार्जेस अट्रैक्ट. ठीक है, तो ये उस अट्रैक्ट और पुश और पुल की बात हो रही है. अट्रैक्ट, ठीक है, और रिपेल की बात हो रही है. एंड लास्टली मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. मैग्नेटिक इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स इज अ पुश और पुल और attract or repel between electric charges, and magnetic force is the push or pull between magnets. Between magnets. Are you all done? Okay. Now these 8 forces can be categorized into 2 types. Okay. So these forces can be categorized into 2 types. Forces can be classified into 2 types. Number one is contact forces. Contact forces are those forces which exist between objects that are in contact. Second is non-contact forces which do not require objects to be in contact to exist. ठीक है. So contact forces are those forces which exist between objects that are in contact, while non-contact forces are those forces which do not require objects to be in contact to exist. So what are the examples of contact forces? Examples are, tell me the examples. अभी हमने किए हैं. Examples are normal reaction force, और क्या एग्जाम्पल होगी? फ्रिक्शन, tension. ठीक है, these are example of non contact force. And non contact force की एग्जाम्पल हो सकती है इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. इट्स मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. ठीक है, लिख लिया? आर यू डन? हाँ जी, आर यू डन? अच्छा, फालिया मैग्नेटिक क्या होता है? व्हेन यू ब्रिंग नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल, तो आर दे इन कॉन्टैक्ट, वो दूर दूर से अपने आप को अटैच नहीं करना शुरू कर देते. एंड व्हेन यू हैव साउथ पोल बिफोर दे कॉन्टैक्ट ईच अदर, वो अपने आप को रिपेल नहीं करना शुरू कर देते, राइट? तो विदाउट कॉन ठीक है, तो विदाउट इन कॉन्टैक्ट मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एग्जिस्ट करती है. ठीक है, ठीक है. नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल आपस में क्या करते हैं? एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं व्हेन यू पुट टू मैग्नेट्स टुगेदर विदाउट इवन टचिंग ईच अदर. ठीक है. So magnetic force, electric force, gravitational force are all example of non-contact force, while example of contact force are normal reaction force, friction force, tension. ठीक है? Is it clear to everybody? जी, फालिया, सुमाइल, गुड. फालिया, जैनब, नबीहा, सुमाइल, जैनब, clear? So what you people need to do your homework is you need to revise this thing which we have done it today in the class. Okay, revise it. We will continue tomorrow, same time, 12 o'clock. Okay then. Allah Hafiz.